O. For this letter, we're going to create an inlay that goes all the way through our material. It'll sort of look like this, with each piece fitting snugly into place. To do this, we're going to use the Inlay Toolpath. We'll start by cutting out the inserts out of Paduke, Teak, and Yellow Heart hardwood. And when that's finished, we'll use the Inlay Toolpath again to cut out a few holes in a glued up maple panel. The Inlay Toolpath compensates for the tool radius by rounding off sharp corners, allowing each insert to fit into each hole. Now we'll move on to our second set, and then finally our third. Almost done. With our panel all glued up, let's finish it up by cutting out the profile of our letter.